What the hell do you think you're doing?
Sorry, I didn't see your turn signal until it was too late to stop.
Hey, did you see what happened?
Yes, I think so. Why?
I'm going to call the police. You can tell them what you saw. This jerk ran right into me. I mean, look at my bumper. It'll cost $1,000 to fix.
Calm down. It was just one of those things. I have insurance.
I really don't want to get involved. I'm from out of town.
You're a witness, right? Can I have your name, address, and phone number?
Yes, I saw what happened. Here's my passport. I'm not an American citizen. I've come to Chicago on business. Here's a contact number if you need to get in touch.